Hi everyone! For today, we're going to read about Farmer Fred. Farmer Fred is part of the Little Workmates series by Ladybird. Farmer Fred by Ron Randall, illustrated by Emma Dodd. This is Farmer Fred. He's a busy farmer with lots of animals to look after. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Crowed the cockerel. It was getting up time on the farm. Come on, Nell, said Farmer Fred. We've got lots to do today. At breakfast, Mrs. Farmer was upset. Peg the cat is missing, she said. I think she's lost. Don't worry, said Farmer Fred. Nell and I will find her. In the farmyard, Farmer Fred thought he heard a meow. Baby Peg's in the henhouse, he said to Nell. In the henhouse, Dahlia and Delilah were feeling very pleased. They had laid 2 eggs each. Cluck, cluck, said Dahlia. Cluck, cluck, said Delilah. But where was Peg? Maybe Peg's in the pigsty, said Farmer Fred. He put some feed in the trough for Primrose and her piglets. Oink, said Primrose. Squeal, squeal, said her hungry little piglets. But where was Peg? Perhaps Peg is in the barn, said Farmer Fred. He milked Daisy the cow while he was there. Moo, said Daisy. But where was Peg? Suddenly, Nell ran to the hayloft. Woof, 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 she barked. Hopping haystacks, said Farmer Fred. It's Peg! Farmer Fred found his ladder, but it was broken. I'll have to call Builder Bill, he said. Builder Bill arrived with his ladder. Farmer Fred climbed up to the hayloft. Woof, woof, barked Nell. Hopping haystacks, said Farmer Fred. You'll never guess what. Peg had 6 fluffy little kittens. That's why she came up to the hayloft, said Farmer Fred. She wanted to have her babies where it was warm and quiet. Mrs. Farmer brought Peg a bowl of Daisy's fresh milk. Well done, Peg, said Farmer Fred. Meow, said Peg. Meow, meow, said her 6 new kittens. Soon it was time for tea. Hopping haystacks, said Farmer Fred. What an exciting day! Woof, woof, agreed Nell. The end.